Sofern SR23, isang multi-purpose EDC tactical UV light with quad LED setup comprising 3 high-power white LED floodlight with a max lumens of 3,300 and a 200-meter beam distance na may kasamang isang ultraviolet light. Excellent for practical use at merong tactical features. Ang kasamang UV light ay pwedeng pang-detect ng counterfeit bills at IDs, good for checking cleanliness, finding pet urine spots at leak detection. For scientific and forensic uses, crime scene investigation, mineral and gem inspection, archaeology, and art restoration, at iba pa. Quick specs muna tayo. The material is made of 6061 aluminum alloy, rubber grips, tactile dual switches, multi-point strike bezel, magnetic tail, double-sided clip, robust construction, and IP68 waterproof and impact resistance. Sa build pa lang nito, panalo ka na. Tatak Sofern eh. Battery is 5,000 mAh na 21700 ang size that can be charged using the built-in USB charging port. Backlit switches that doubles as battery and charging indicator. Very straightforward yung user interface kaya sobrang daling gamitin. Napakalakas at napaka-wide pa ng beam angle kaya napakaganda nitong gamitin kahit sa camping, trekking, your regular use dahil sa kanyang napakalakas na output na 3,300 lumens. Tara, samahan niyo ako mag-unbox, kilatisin ang build quality, user interface, features, at subukan natin ang lakas at katangian ng liwanag niya sa ating field test. Tara, quick unboxing muna tayo. Let's go! Let's do an outdoor test. Let's go. Sofern SR23, try natin. Wow. So wala siyang low, medium, high or step na ramping. Smooth ramp lang siya. So ito yung pinakamahina niya, sobrang hina. Pero yung pinakamalakas niya, yan. Boom. So madadial mo siya between these brightness. So wala siyang low, medium, high. Yan, smooth ramping lang talaga siya. Boom. So kapag nag-blink siya, yan na yung pinakamalakas niya. Yan. Sobrang liwanag, guys. Yan. Sobrang ganda ng kanyang pagka-flood. Ngayon naman, quick rundown. Start tayo dito sa kanyang lens. So we have three LEDs with a TIR lens at saka isang UV LED. So very handy naman. Hindi mo aakalaing 21700 na flashlight siya kasi hindi siya masyadong mahaba and it feels good in the hand actually. It's very very compact design. Yan. So it reminds me of yung Workos um, TS26S. So we have this one side by side. Alam nyo naman gustong gusto ko to. Very compact din pero tingnan nyo naman. Mas maliit siya when it comes to size. Diameter wise, magkatulad lang. Yes, they have magnetic tail both. Ang nagustuhan ko lang dito sa SR23 is ang kanyang rubber grips. Nakikita nyo naman yan, di ba? Naka-rubber grips na siya. And dito, yan. They have somewhat like a similarity. So let's compare the size. SC33. This is a 5,000 lumen flashlight. This is a tactical light. Tingnan nyo naman yung difference in size nila. They utilize the same size battery, 21700. Pero gustong gusto ko talaga tong ginawa nila dito. Yung rubber na grips. I think rubber grips is a very nice to have. This also helps with impact absorption, 'di ba? Kasi naka-rubber na siya eh. Very very grippy, very nice. And the magnet is very very strong, really strong. Yeah. So it can hold itself. This is a very good feature if you have a very strong magnet. Maganda yung malakas yung magnet kasi kaya niya yung kabuuang bigat ng flashlight. So meron kasing ibang mga magnetic tail na hindi naman ganun kalakas yung magnet niya and mahirap siyang idikit. So kailangan mo talagang idikit lahat ng surface para to maximize, para dumikit talaga siya. Pero dito kahit kahit half lang, yan. Kahit half ng surface lang, kayang-kaya naman ito. A flat tail, so madali lang tail stand. Yan, di ba? Yan. So yung kanyang clip naman dito, dual-sided clip na removable din. During unboxing na ipakita ko na yung loob yung battery niya tsaka yung contacts. Good gold-plated contacts from each sides. Yan, as you can see. And you have a rubber gasket here. Yan. So dito yung kanyang switch. Dalawa naman yung switch nito for the UV light and also for the white light. Tsaka dito yung kanyang, as usual, very familiar yung kanyang charging port. So almost every Sofern flashlight, ganito yung kanilang charging port. Yung finish naman niya, very very premium. Try naman natin yung kanyang liwanag. Yan yung lowest niya. Yan. Yan yung highest. Sobrang liwanag. Okay. Now let's check out yung user interface naman niya. Wala akong masabi sa kanyang quality. Very very good quality. Solid yung switch. Walang mga umaalog. So user interface naman niya, very simple lang. So wala siyang staged na ramping or wala siyang yung mga modes low, medium, high, walang ganon. So pag on mo, meron ka lang lowest at saka you can ramp it up to the highest. Yan yung pinaka-highest niya. Yan. Pwede mo siyang ma-set in between. Yan, mabilis yung pag niya, yung pag-ramp niya. So very sensitive. Yeah, that's very very challenging to set. Yan. Mahirap lang kasi walang low, medium at high. Yung walang staged na ramping. Smooth ramping lang siya. So medyo nahirapan akong mag-timing sa kung anong brightness ang gusto ko. Kasi mas maganda talaga yung may low, medium, high or merong stage ramp, di ba? That way, you can estimate yung runtime ng battery mo. Pero dito, okay lang naman. So, yan. Smooth ramping lang siya. And from off, you can also have your access sa turbo by doing a double press. That's a quick access to turbo, whether if it's on or off. Double press mo lang. You'll have that highest setting. Yan. Long press naman from off. Yan, to activate yung kanyang lowest na setting. That's moonlight. And then you can still ramp that up. So from off, long press, yan yung pinakamahina. So tingnan natin kung may memory function siya. Let's turn it on. Yan, let's set it to that brightness. Turn it off. Turn it on again. Yan. So meron pala siyang memory function. So kung ano yung brightness na last na ginamit mo, tinatandaan niya. So it's good that you have that option. Meron din pala siyang strobe at SOS. So yan lang yung special feature niya. Strobe is triple press. Yan. So you have that tactical feature pa rin, even if it's an EDC light. And another triple press. Yan, SOS. It would have been nice kung merong beacon, nilagyan na lang nila ng beacon, di ba? Pero meron naman ding benefits kapag simple lang yung user interface. Kaya yun yung nagustuhan ko dito sa SR23. And I'll show you again. Ito yung kanyang user interface. So sa white light, yan. One click to turn on, long press from on, step, dimming, stepless dimming. So yan, smooth ramping yan. Tapos yan, 2 clicks, turbo and low. So double press, turbo, yan. Double press low. Okay. So kapag double press, so that's the brightest and yung kanyang lowest setting. Dalawa pala yung ways to access low. So from off, long press mo lang. Or kung naka-turbo ka naman, double press and then another double press. Yan. Naka-lowest setting yan. 3 clicks, strobe, and SOS. So confirm, strobe lang talaga tsaka SOS yung meron to. Then next is yung UV light naman niya. Ito, UV light button niya. 1 click to turn on. And then so long press mo, low, that's low, and then that's high. So dalawa lang, low and then high. Meron nang nakikitang germs, oh. So ayan. Try natin dito sa 1000 bill. Yan, yan, low lang. So kapag close range low, good for detecting counterfeits or trying to verify the authenticity of the bill. Yan. So if you're trying to also spot cleanliness, you can do like yan. Try mo yung yung high mode sa UV light and then you'll be able to spot. So that is my review of the Sofern SR23. It's a really, really good unit. All right, so that's it for this video. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. And again, thank you for watching. Thank you for kung naabutan mo tong kung umabot ka hanggang sa dulo ng video to. Maraming salamat sa iyo. And if you're not yet subscribed, please sure to hit the subscribe button or follow button. This is your boy Muhayag. See you on the next video.